Welcome again, everyone. One of the main prerequisites to build your own mail server is to have a VPS, or what we call a virtual private server. So what is simply a VPS? To understand VPS, I need to explain in brief the virtualization technology. What is virtualization? I will try my best to be very simple. Now, in your home, you may have a desktop or a laptop. This desktop has a hard disk and your operating system, your Windows or your Mac, is installed inside this hard disk. And when you boot your computer, it boots from that hard disk directly and loads the operating system, or your Windows or Mac. Now, if you install another operating system on the same hard disk, you will not be able to load both operating systems together. You can load one of them once at a time. But now, with virtualization, what we can do is to install multiple operating systems on the same physical hardware. So you can boot multiple operating systems together simultaneously. Awesome, huh? If you are familiar with VMware Workstation or VirtualBox, where you can build labs inside them so you can install a full operating system into these applications so you can run multiple operating systems together. So the idea is like this. Virtualization is a technology that allows you to run multiple operating systems together on the same physical hardware. But what is the relation between VPS and virtualization? If you noticed, VPN stands for Virtual Private Server. So it's a virtual server. How it's created? Simply when we talk about hosting providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, DigitalOcean, or whatever web hosting companies, these companies have a huge data centers. A data center is a combination of a lot of servers connected together, physical servers. Now, when you create your own server or a VPS server, simply they are creating a machine, an operating system for you inside these physical servers. So your VPS machine is simply one of many operating systems running on that physical servers. You don't have to worry about the technical stuff now and virtualization. I just wanted you to know what is a VPS in general. Now, when we get a VPS, what we will get simply is an operating system like Ubuntu, like Windows, like CentOS, whatever OS you can get, and the hosting company will give you a public IP to that machine. So what will you have is a server binded to an IP address. It's your own virtual private server where you can do whatever you want inside it. Very nice. Later on in the next part, I will show you how you can get and create a VPS of your own and how to map the IP address and other stuff.